In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the ear speaker is not working on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the phone app, and from here, just dial this star hash 0 star hash. Now after you do that, you'll open the diagnostic section of your Samsung phone. Now from here, just tap on the speaker option and check the top speaker of your phone. Now, if you have done the hardware test and if the speaker is working in the hardware test, then this means that your issue is not a hardware problem, but it is a software glitch. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings. Now, under Settings, just tap on Connections. From here, just tap on Bluetooth and check if Bluetooth is turned on your phone or not. If it is turned on, just turn it off. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is turned on your phone might automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphones, and this might be why the earpiece speaker is not working on your phone. Now after you do that, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down a bit and tap on sounds and vibration. From here just tap on volume and increase all the sliders over here. Now after you increase all these sliders, then just tap on the three dots over here and tap on media volume limit. Now if this option is enabled, just turn it off. Then just go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on accessibility. From here just tap on hearing enhancements. Now on this page just scroll down and tap on mute all sounds. Now if this feature is enabled, just turn it off. After you turn off mute all sounds, then just go back and check mono audio. Now also if this feature is turned on, just turn it off. Then finally just look at the bottom of the page. Now over here you will find an option called phone speakers. Now if the speaker is either on the left side or on the right side, one of your speakers will not work. So make sure you set this slider to the center. Now after you do all of that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to settings. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on volume monitor. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen, then select volume monitor. Now if this feature is enabled on your phone, just turn it off. After that, just grab your Samsung phone and check the earpiece speakers of your phone. Now if you find any dust or debris stuck in the earpiece speakers, just use a soft brush and clean the speakers area. And after that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go back to settings, and in the main settings page, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on general management. From here, just tap on reset. Now on this page, you will find the option for reset all settings. Now just tap on it, then tap on reset settings. Now just enter your lock screen pin, select continue, then tap on reset. Now by doing that, you will not delete any data of your phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your Samsung phone to the default Samsung settings. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.